All right, guys, so we are here today unboxing a brand new Sony zoom lens. This is one of those super versatile lenses that a lot of Sony mirrorless shooters start with. It's got optical steady shot built in, which basically means you're getting image stabilization right inside the lens. Great for handheld shots or video work. So this lens has an aperture range of f/4.5 to f/6.3, which means at the widest zoom, around 55 mm, you'll get f/4.5, decent for light and background separation. And when you zoom all the way in to 210 mm, it stops down to f/6.23. So it's not the brightest lens out there, but for outdoor shooting, travel, sports, or portraits with good lighting, it performs really well. It's designed for Sony's APS-C mirrorless cameras. So on those, you're actually getting a full frame equivalent of around 82 to 315 millimeters. That's a solid telephoto range, perfect for getting those distant details or compressed background shots. First impressions, the build quality feels surprisingly good for its price. The barrel is mostly metal with some high-quality plastic, and it's got a nice smooth zoom action. The focus ring also feels light but responsive, which is nice for video work. The optical steady shot is a big plus. It helps reduce shake when you're zoomed all the way in. So if you're shooting handheld video or even long-range photos without a tripod, it keeps things steady. In terms of performance, this lens is going to shine outdoors, wildlife, street shots, even casual portraits. You get great color rendering, solid autofocus speed on most Sony bodies, and that telephoto compression that just looks cinematic. So let's look at a few sample photos I took on this lens. The picture detail is crisp for most parts, maybe some struggle in lower lighting conditions, but overall amazing. When it comes to close-ups of plants or subjects from a bit of a distance, you get that beautiful compression and soft background blur that helps your subject pop. It's not a macro lens, but if you stand a few feet back and zoom in, you can still get that tight, intimate frame with great depth. Also using the Sony ZV-E10 Mark II to take these sample shots with. So that's all for now. And as always, thank you so much for watching.